If you want to create a stencil effect in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to turn any image into a bold black and white stencil-style graphic using just a couple of built-in tools. This is a great technique for logos, posters, prints, social media graphics, and any design where you want a clean, high-contrast look. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your image in GIMP. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting the photo or graphic you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, take a quick look at the subject. The best images for stencil effects usually have clear shapes, strong lighting, and decent contrast. If your image is too dark or too busy, the stencil result may lose detail, so choosing the right image helps a lot. Now we need to remove the color and convert the image into grayscale. At the top application menu bar, click Colors. From the drop-down menu, choose Desaturate. This will open a small pop-up window with different desaturation options. Inside that pop-up, select the Lightness or HSL mode setting. This mode is often a great choice because it creates a balanced grayscale result while keeping the tones readable. After selecting it, click the confirmation button to apply the change and turn the active layer grayscale. At this point, your image should already look more like a stencil base, but we still need to make the edges and shapes much stronger. The next step is to apply threshold adjustments. Go back to the main menu, click Colors again, and then choose Threshold. This tool is what gives the image that hard black and white cutoff that makes a stencil effect work. When the threshold window opens, you'll see a histogram with black and white channel sliders. Drag the sliders carefully to find the right balance. As you move them, the image will change in real time, so watch the preview closely. The goal is to create clear contrast without losing the important features of your subject. If the sliders are too extreme, the image can become too blocky and lose detail. If they're too soft, the stencil effect won't be strong enough. Take your time here and adjust until the image has a clean, bold look with the key shapes still visible. If needed, zoom in a little so you can inspect the details more closely while adjusting the threshold. This can help you preserve facial features, logo edges, object outlines, or any other important parts of the design. For some images, a slight adjustment is all you need. For others, you may have to move the sliders a bit more before the stencil effect looks right. The exact setting depends on the image, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you're happy with the result, finalize the processing operation by clicking the confirmation button. GIMP will apply the threshold effect, and your image will now have that bold stencil-style look. At this point, you can save your work, export it as a PNG or JPEG, or continue editing if you want to refine it even more. And that's it. You've just created a stencil effect in GIMP using desaturation and threshold adjustments. It's a quick, easy workflow that works really well once you get the hang of it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.